Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to our lesson for today for the first intermediate grade for the second semester of this year. Our subject, as you know, is the English language from the book Full Plus 2. Our lesson for today is 3B, Dear Diary. This is the second part. So today we have pronunciation and write. This whole lesson is prepared and it will be presented to you by Sultan Shahrani. So, first of all, thank you very much all of you for being with me. I'm really happy to be with brilliant students like you. The second thing, I want to make sure that you understand our book is Full Plus 2. It is not Super Goal, it is Full Plus 2. The third and the most important thing, I want to ask you, everyone, are you ready to begin our lesson? Very nice, let's go. Today we will learn, number one, pronunciation of ed at the end of the word. Okay, when we put this, okay, so it means at the end of the word. Number two, how to write a diary. If you want to write a diary, how can you write it? We will start with the pronunciation as we said. A, listen and repeat. What is the difference between A, B, and C? A, B, C. So, let's listen, then we will get back to make sure about the difference.
3. Pronunciation. A. Listen and repeat. What's the difference between A, B, and C? A. Watched. B. Played. C. Wanted.
Okay, very nice. Now can you hear the difference? So the first one is watched. Watched. So it's just like there is no E, and also the D is just like the letter T. Okay, it's just like T. It's close to T. Watched. Watched. Okay. B, played. 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 Also, if just like there is no E and the D is pronounced clearly. D. 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 Okay, like this one. Can you see it? Watched. This is T. Played. This is D. And C, wanted. 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 Okay, there is E, clear E and clear D. It wanted. Just like this one. Okay, the sound, you write it like this. Okay, so now let's go to B to do this exercise. Listen, everyone. B, listen and tick. Okay, tick the sound you hear. So we have this column which is just like the sound or the pronunciation of T, and this one D, and this one it. Okay, I want you to hear each word of these. For example, started, and tell me if it's just like watched, or maybe just like the ed in played, or maybe just like ed in wanted. So listen, everyone, then we will get back together to check them. Listen, everyone.
B. Listen and tick the sound you hear. Watched. Played. Wanted. Started. Happened. Asked. Listened. Stayed. Visited. Liked. Hated. Helped.
Okay, so what about the first one? Started. Started. Very nice, just like wanted. It E clear and D clear. Happened. Happened. D, clear D, very nice. The sound is clear D. Asked. Asked. Very nice, just like watched. Very nice. Listened. Listened. Very nice, just like played. Beautiful. stayed, stayed. Also like played. Very nice. Visited, visited. Just like wanted, it, visited. Liked, liked. Just like watched, exactly. Hated, hated. Excellent, just like wanted, it, hated, it. Helped, helped. Excellent, just like watched. Exactly, very nice. So now you know the difference in sound, in pronunciation between ed, which is pronounced like t, and ed, which we pronounce it just like clear da, and also ed, which pronounce it clear e with clear d. The pronunciation, the sound. Okay, it's clear to us. Very nice. Now let's go to write. Write a few sentences for your diary about what you did yesterday after school. What you did yesterday after school. So, for example, maybe you can write like this one. I had a quite an exciting afternoon. I got home at 4:30 and Okay, so the first one, I want you to write a diary. So, what you did yesterday. Everything that you did yesterday, you can remember, you can write about it. Okay, with the time, okay? The second thing, we are talking about yesterday. We'll write about yesterday. So it is in the past. It is in the past. So the past of have, had. Can you see it? The past of get, got. So we have to change the verbs into the past. Listen, we have to change the verbs into the past. Okay? Very nice. So I will give you a small example, a simple and small example, and I want you to do your own sentences just like this one. Okay? Just to understand the diary about what you did yesterday after school. Listen. I got home at 2:30 p.m. In Saudi Arabia, we finished school at 1:30 or maybe 2, so I got home at 3:30 p.m. The past of get, got. I played with my younger brother. After that, my father asked me to fix my toy. At 5:30 p.m., I wrote my homework. I slept at 8 p.m. So, these verbs, I changed them into the past. Can you see them? This is got. Okay, this is played in the past. This is asked. Okay, and this is also wrote. And this is slept. This is the past of sleep. Wrote. This is the past of write. Asked. This is the past of ask. Played. This is the past of play. And got is the past of get. Okay, everyone? So you write your diary, but in the past. Don't forget, because it's about yesterday. It's in the past. Okay? Very nice. So this is the end of our lesson. Today we learned the pronunciation of ed at the end of the word in the past sentence or the past verb. And the number 2, how to write a diary as we did a minute ago. So those are the references that we used: Full Plus 2 Student's Book, Teacher's Guide, Audio, Google Clip Arts for pictures. If you want more information and lessons, this is the website, the Twitter account, the telephone number for a national education portal and for Tatweer Company for educational services. So as I said before, this is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much all of you for being with me. I hope to see you next time. This is Sultan Shahrani. Goodbye everyone.